What are tax exemptions for religious organizations? Have you ever wondered how religious organizations operate without the same tax burdens as businesses? Tax exemptions for religious organizations are legal provisions that allow these groups to avoid paying certain taxes, mainly income and property taxes. This system acknowledges that religious organizations serve important roles in society, distinct from commercial enterprises. By granting these exemptions, the government recognizes the unique contributions of religious institutions while maintaining a separation between church and state. At the heart of tax exemptions is the principle of religious freedom. The idea is to prevent government interference in religious practices. This benevolent neutrality allows religious groups to function without facing financial pressures that could hinder their missions. Essentially, these exemptions support their spiritual and community work. To qualify for tax exemptions, religious organizations must typically be organized and operated exclusively for religious, educational, or charitable purposes. Courts and tax authorities often interpret these criteria broadly. This means that even organizations without formal charters or those that do not focus solely on religious activities can still qualify if their main activities are religious in nature. These exemptions usually apply to federal income tax and can extend to state and local property taxes. Additionally, donations made to these organizations are often tax deductible for the donors. This setup encourages public support and helps religious organizations operate on limited budgets, relying on voluntary contributions to provide community services. From a liberal perspective, these tax exemptions align with the protection of individual rights and political freedom. They ensure that the government does not impose financial burdens that could interfere with the free exercise of religion. Moreover, they support a diverse society by allowing various religious institutions to contribute without government favoritism or control. However, there are limitations to prevent misuse of these exemptions. Religious organizations that engage in significant commercial activities or political campaigning may lose their tax-exempt status. This ensures that the exemptions serve their intended purpose and do not become loopholes for profit-making or political influence. In essence, tax exemptions for religious organizations reflected a legal acknowledgement of their special role in society. They protect religious freedom by limiting government interference while supporting the diverse contributions of faith communities. This balance respects religious liberty and upholds the constitutional separation of church and state, allowing for a vibrant and pluralistic society.